Oh, thank you.
Want to start off with a song?
Yes. I'm speaking through delay, so that's why it sounds like this.